Was good, Kawaii gang? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are doing these adorable color palette, quote unquote color palette nails, and I want to give a Kawaii gang shout out to you, Gucci Mademoiselle. Girl, you finally are first. I'm so proud. Thank you. I love you so much. I love you all so much. And if you guys want to be shouted out, make sure that you click the bell and subscribe. So you guys, this video is actually a redesign. This is not a full set video. I already had these nails on my hand. So if you guys want to see how to build these nails from start to finish, including my prep, filing, shaping, buffing, definitely check the video in the cards called Holographic Meadow Butterfly Nails. And now this is like my third fill on these nails. So that's why I'm not showing the application in this video and we're just going straight to the design. So yeah, if you guys are here to see how to actually make the nails, check that video and then come back to this one for the rest of the design. Hey YouTube, hey Kawaii gang, what is good? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So you guys, in today's video, we are doing a super cute design. I know if you guys are like me and you are on Instagram and you follow a bunch of nail pages, you have seen this aesthetic, they call it like color palette nails, I think, where every finger is a different color. And I've seen this a lot right now in the fall, since it's now officially fall. I've seen a lot of these images of just like neutral tones, warm tones, cool tones, not really cool tones, but like nudes, golds, or whatever. And I loved it. Like, I don't know, I'm just obsessed. It really just got into my heart and now I wanted to recreate that look. So about my nails, you guys, I'm coming on screen with my nails naked, no design on them. What I ended up doing is filing down my old design, which was that butterfly and leaf glitter design I put on top of these nails. So I am not actually gonna wear these nails long term. I just did this for the video. So one thing you'll notice is when I turn my nails to the side view, they're way too thin. They are not shaped for realistic wear in everyday life. They will not last. They're kind of thin. The apex is not proper on a lot of the nails because I literally just filed down my old design and then went in with the next design. By the way, if you are wondering why my nails are shiny at this point, it's because I'm testing out a peel off base coat. I'm gonna test this out and gather my thoughts and see what I think and let you guys know everything about it in an upcoming video. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that information. Basically what I'm trying to do is like be able to switch up my design super easy and just like peel off the old design and go in with the next design. So that's everything we got going on. So this is a very, very simple design, you guys. I used all gel polishes. All of these colors are either Madam Glam gel polish or Model 1's gel polish. And I decided to go ahead and put the names on screen and let you guys know how many coats each color took for me. So you're gonna notice that some colors are super pigmented, they only need 1 coat. Some colors need like 3 coats. But there's one color, I think it's called Giorgio from Model 1's. It's this rich chocolate shade. It did not need 3 coats. I just did 3 coats because I felt like I messed up and like I needed more pigment. And then sometimes I just add more to deepen the shade a little bit and just make it look a little bit darker. So it's not necessary to always do the 3 coats. Model 1's pigment is amazing. There's another color called Funny Orange from Madam Glam in this palette, and it's like a jelly consistency, and I think it's meant to be jelly. I don't think it's like just a bad color or like bad polish. I think it was meant to be like that jelly-ish shade. You're gonna see me wiping down the sides of my nail quite a bit, and this is just simply because I don't want to take the extra time later on to hand file and shape up. I kind of just want to paint these, put on the top coat, and we're done. Like I don't want to have to fix my shaping and stuff. So one thing I notice, because you know, wiping down the sides of my nails is something I've been doing for a while now. When you do this, try to start wiping all the way at the top of the cuticle. Don't start your wiping at the free edge only. And that's because I notice when I start wiping at the free edge down and I don't wipe near the cuticle down, it kind of makes the nail look weird shaped. So making sure that you wipe from the very top of the nail to the very end of the nail maintains like the consistent shape all the way down the nail. Another thing, make sure you're cleaning off your hands with some type of paper towel in between each nail, because I notice you can carry top coat from one nail over to the next nail, adding extra bulk onto that nail for no reason. So I think that's pretty much everything I have to say about the application. This is such a super simple design. There's like not much to it. The video is almost even in real-time speed because I just did not have that much footage to make it a super sped up time-lapse video or whatever. But I love this. I just love the colors. I want to do more looks like this with different colors. I feel like these colors all went together really well. It was really fun for me to pick them out. And they went super duper well with my kawaii little pumpkins that I ended up taking pictures with outside. I literally bought these for the intent and purpose of using them for nail pictures, and I do that a lot. Like I'll see something, I'll be like, oh, I gotta take a picture with this. So I bought these like weeks ago. That's why I had to hurry up and get this set done so that these would not spoil and I'd have to throw them away. Yeah, I loved how the photo came out. Definitely follow me on Insta so you don't miss out any more of my photos. I'm loving the photo part of doing nails. Like, of course I love the process of doing nails and being able to wear the nails, but the pictures and like capturing that aesthetic and that vibe is so fun for me too. So yeah, for this spooky fall season, I definitely have a lot of pictures that I need to take outside with props. So that means I'm gonna be working on my own hands a lot, which is why I had to figure out some type of method to quickly change and switch up my designs, which is where my DIY base coat idea popped into my head. It's very simple. It's not like a super secret, but I'm just trying to build hype for that video and just build up interest and stuff. So I'm gonna wear these as long as I can. I have yet to put my hands in any type of water or oil, so I don't know how long lasting it is. It would be interesting if it lasts like maybe 2 to 3 days. That would be kind of cool, or maybe even a week. We shall see. I will keep you guys updated.
What you want, fool? Well, good morning to you too, boo. You coming to the party tonight? One for the, two for the, three to get you going. Rest in the, one for the, two for the, three to get you going. Rest in the place. Yeah. It's me, the OG funk bandit, the beat to the R-A-T. In fact, if you ain't heard of me, take a seat, lay back and listen as I bust. Word up, hey, word up, hey, word up, hey, for real though. Word up, hey, word up, hey, word up, hey, for real though. Word up, hey, word up, hey, word up, hey, for real though. Word up, hey, word up, hey, word up, hey, for real though. To the top, to bottom of gut. So now you know what I ain't and what I am. Just the baddest little pimp in this hip-hop beat. OG is what I am, a brand is what I am. You know what I am, and you can't see. So let it go, goes on back to top. Take it how I got it and enjoy it now. Right. One for the, two for the, three to get you going. Rest in the, one for the, two for the, three to get you going. One for the, two for the, three to get you going. Rest in the, one for the, two for the, three to get you going. Rest in the place. Three to get you going. Rest in the, yeah. Is this really your car?
It's my car, babe. What you talking about?
On my mind, succeeding with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about
So after all of the nails are painted, we are going to do top coat. I feel like they were really pretty shiny, but matte just gives me this warm, fuzzy feeling in my heart. So I went with my ultimate fave Presto Matte Top Coat Gel, and this top coat gel, like, analytically looking at this top coat gel, I see that it's very thick and jelly-like consistency, and it's almost like the way the brush works, it wants to be applied very thick. So I feel like even if you don't buff your nail out super duper well, this thickness of the top coat will kind of hide it and make it look smooth at the end result anyways, which is just another added plus and bonus of this top coat gel. That's why I love it. It just always comes out super smooth and beautiful. It's the best one I've ever tried, and it's super duper matte. So once this comes out, you do have to clean it off with alcohol. Do not use Swipe from Young Nails because the acetone mixed into that Swipe kind of breaks down the matte top coat and gives it a satin matte finish. I noticed it did that on my plum nails that I posted recently. I was like, why do the nails look satin matte now? And it's because of the Swipe. There's something in the Swipe from Young Nails that's super duper, like almost like an acetone, and it's just very not good for mattes. I would not recommend. So I just used regular alcohol, and I did not have that satin matte effect.
That you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Choices you made, did you make them all the choices you made, did you make them
So yeah, you guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know down below. If you are new, please subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you guys never miss my notifications, because it seems to be a thing lately where notifications just don't get sent out. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you all so much. Please have an amazing day or night, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.
All the choices you made, would you make them again?